Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get more Kraken Tentacles in fish, easy method. First, farm blue algae in shallow reefs and trade with the Kraken merchant for tentacle fragments. Then, boost your fish luck by equipping the lucky hook and eating calamari stew before dives. Focus on elder Kraken zones at night and use shock lures for higher drop rates. Repeat runs until you reach your desired count. Equip items that increase fish luck and bring consumables that stack buffs for dives. Start each run with calamari stew, then switch to the lucky hook to keep luck high, and carry extra shock lures to force tentacle drops. Keep your loadout light to maximize mobility and reduce combat time against Kraken. Run multiple short loops in elder zones for steady fragment gains, and avoid long, risky engagements that waste time. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more easy farming tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for smarter, hands-off tidying. And yes, it listens to voice control, which is oddly satisfying between grind sessions. It makes cleanup effortless so you can focus on farming tentacles. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Map efficient short routes through elder Kraken zones and stick to looped runs to maximize tentacle yields. Time your trips for night spawns to encounter more elder Kraken, and return to the harbor briefly between runs to reset spawns and merchant inventories. Keep fights quick, use shock lures, and swap consumables between runs to maintain high luck. This steady routine will net more tentacles without burning your play session or resources.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.